everyone, welcome back to my new video tutorial. So let's crochet easy amigurumi octopus. This video will teach you how, even if you have never crocheted before, you will need a yarn scissor like this, and you need a 2mm hook. You can use like 3.5mm, it's okay. And I'm using this 2-ply of yarn for making a little octopus, and you need this kind of eyes, and I'm going to use the right hand. Let's get started with our little octopus. Number 1, first we have to make a magic ring or magic circle like this, and chaining of 1, 6 single crochet into the magic circle or magic ring, one single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a round number 1, and after this we have to make a round number 2, and we need a stitch marker. I didn't tell you about a stitch marker, but you should try with some stitch marker. For now I'm going to make a round 2. We have to increase our pattern. That means we have to make a 2 single crochet into all of the stitches. In all of the stitches we have to make a 2 times single crochet, and this is our first stitches, so we have to mark it down. And 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and the total is 12. You should have a 12 chain stitches in round 2. Now we have to make a round number 3. To make a round number 3, first you have to make a 1 single crochet, and don't forget to mark the first stitches like me. 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Increase means 2 times single crochet. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. 1 increase. Increase. Let's make a round number 4 now. Round 4, 1 single crochet, mark it, 2 single crochet and 1 increase. 1 and 2 and 1 increase. 1 and 2, 1 increase. 1 and 2 and 1 increase. 1 and 2, 1 increase. 1 and 2. Okay, now we have to make a round 5. Round 5 to round 8 we have to make a single crochet. Let's make a round 5. Oh, don't forget to mark the first stitches every time, okay? So everyone, I will just meet you at the end, I will meet you at round number 8, because for round 5 to round 8, we have to make a single crochet all over the chain stitches. I'm in around it. Okay, round 8 is finished, and now we are going to make a round 9. For round 9 we are going to decrease. Let's do this. We have to make round 9, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. So how to decrease I will show you. First of all, 1 single crochet. To decrease your patterns, insert your hook and you bring your 2 loops into the next stitches, insert the hook and bring 3 loops, yarn over and put through all loops. This is a decrease. Again, 1 single crochet and decrease. You have to do this for 8 times. 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Okay, now we are going to make a round number next 10. We have to, first of all, we will make a slip stitch into the first stitches, and we have to do a chain 1, but this time we are going to work just in the back loops, not in the front loop. 2 single crochet and 1 decrease, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease. Let's do this. First of all, you have to make 1 single crochet into the back loop, this is a 1, and don't forget to mark the stitches like this, and then 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. We will do decrease into the back loops only. One single crochet, and this is a 2, and after this we will do is a decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease. Okay, after doing this, I'm going to do is stuffing. So let's do a stuffing first. We have to do is a stuffing. Going to make a tentacles, or you can just say a legs part. That's why we right over here we just made just in a back loops, single crochet in a back loops. So front loop is going to be a legs or tentacles. To make a tentacles, we have to do is insert your hook inside this front loop, and we have to join this like this. Okay, and after that you have to make a 5 half double crochet into the first stitches, and into the next stitches you have to make a slip stitch. Just continue doing this. You have to repeat this one. First of all, you have to make is a double crochet for 5 times, half double crochet. 1, and then 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a 5 half double crochet, and into the next stitches make a slip stitch. Again, into the next stitches you have to make a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and make a slip stitch. Into the next stitches 5. 1 half, 2 half double crochet, 3 half, 4 half, and 5 half. Okay, repeat until you reach the end part. Okay, now I'm in the last row of the last legs part, and we have to make a slip stitch right over here into the last one. Slip stitch, and here too I'm going to make a slip stitch, and now chaining of 1, and I will just cut it down. Now the octopus birdie part is ready. We have to put some eyes. I'm going to use this eyes for now, but we need a gun. The eye part, we need a hard melt glue gun. If you have a glue you can use that, but I have this. I'm going to put this glue over here, and we have to attach this. And the next one I have to attach. Okay guys, now body part and the eye part I already attached right over here. If you have a garning needles, you can use needles to close this one, but you guys don't have, if you guys don't have a needles, you can just make a decrease. I already told you before, and now I'm just going to cut it down. Before that we have to hide this, and I'm going to cut it down. And for now I'm just going to close this birdie part. Okay, cut the yarn fast enough, everybody. So now octopus, the little octopus is ready now. Okay, little octopus is ready now, and it looks like this. I use this kind of eyes for a little octopus. I think it's okay for now. Everyone, thank you so much for watching this tutorial video. If you guys love this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Everyone, see you again. Bye bye.